Well, let me show you a video first.
What happens when the magic of dance meets the need for rest? Once upon a time, there was a pair of extraordinary shoes sparkling under the moonlight. These weren't just any shoes, they were enchanted with a passion for dance. Every night they'd leap and twirl joyfully, moving to rhythms only they could hear. Their young owner, a vibrant child with a heart full of dreams, slipped them on every evening. Together they dazzled the night, but as dawn approached, the excitement faded. The child would wake limbs heavy and weary, unable to play. The magic shoes, however, could dance on and on, blissfully unaware of the fatigue creeping into their...
Pretty cool, right? And look at these channels. You will be amazed how many views and subscribers they are getting within a short period of time with this type of short form content. And the revenue they are generating is insane. And you know what? These are totally AI generated contents. So this niche I'm talking about is children's story niche. Now, do you know why this niche is so powerful? You know, this type of niche mostly remains evergreen. Parents are always searching for safe, entertaining and educational content for their kids, especially bedtime stories like fairy tales, moral stories, fables. Kids watch them repeatedly one after another. Unlike trending niches that die out, this one is timeless. A story uploaded today can still rack up views years from now. So you can understand the potential of this type of niche. Now, don't skip the video. Let me walk you through step by step how you can make videos just like this one, and we are going to use Vexub.com to create such videos. The link is in the description box, you can check it out. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, just ask ChatGPT, give me 10 original children's story ideas with a fun theme and a moral lesson. You will get fresh titles like these, which you can use perfect little stories kids will love. So let's head over to Vexub.com, click create video, then text to video, and then click on go to step 2. Now pick vertical format and click on go to step 3. Now there is an option for selecting a narrator, which I'm not going to use right now, and we can select a voice. We can clone our voice as well. Let's select this one and click on go to step 4. Now enter your story title and short description. The AI will generate a script for you. You can customize it or paste in your own story. If okay, then click on go to step 5. Now it's time to select the image style. Animated visuals work beautifully for this kind of niche. So let's select children book and click on start generation. Within minutes, you will have a ready to use video complete with visuals, music, narration and subtitles. You can do any customization if needed, and finally export the video and download it to your PC. Export your video and upload it with a bright, fun thumbnail and stay consistent. The more stories you publish, the more YouTube will recommend your channel to parents worldwide. And that's it. A faceless automated YouTube channel that taps into one of the most evergreen niches on the platform. If you want my exact prompts, niche list and the full Vexub workflow, check the description below. Drop a comment if you would like me to explore more niches like this. Hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.